Everybody, happy last day of quarter three, kind of. If you saw our update at the top of the page, you know that the quarter is actually going to end on Monday. But we will not have anything to do in this class on Monday except check your missing assignments. So there's still a handful of you that have a lot of missing assignments, mainly from distance learning. So now you just have an extended period until Monday night to get those turned in. So make sure that that is a priority for you after we go through what the expectations are for today. So as we go through this, all right, happy last day of quarter three. Just a little message. Thank you guys for being a good class and helping me through my student teaching. Although we only got to do half of it in person, I just want to thank you guys for making it an enjoyable experience. So watch this video. Task 2, check through your grades and triple check that you have turned everything in. All right, so if you have absences, get those makeup assignments to me. If you want them, make sure you email them to me. And then if you've turned them into me and they are not in the grade book, feel free to shoot me another email and just say like, hey, I turned these in. I'm not seeing that reflected in the grade book because obviously you guys know this is a learning curve and I could have missed something. So let me know if that has happened to you. Today you're going to complete the workout, and then for task 4, you're going to answer the reflection questions, and then of course your daily check-in. So triple check you turned everything in. All your assignments should be turned in from distance learning, which there are a lot of missing assignments from these last 2 weeks. And then send me those makeup assignments if you have them. So for your choice workout today, you can create your own, which we'll talk about here. You can do body combat here, or you can do a yoga workout here. So for your build your own, you're going to come up with 9 different exercises. You have set 1, set 2, set 3. I have made the rounds and reps for each. You just make your exercises. So you'll see here, 2 rounds, 30 reps each. 3 rounds, 20 reps each. 4 rounds, 10 reps each. So as it goes on, you're going to have less and less reps. So your exercises should probably get a little bit tougher as we get into set 3 there. So for example, if I wanted to do jumping jacks, bodyweight squats, and push-ups, I would do 30, 30, 30, back to the top and do that one more time for my 2 rounds. And then here I would do 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, and then 20, 20, 20. Here, 4 rounds of 10 reps each. So that is your choice. If you would like to do that workout, if you want to do this one, it's kind of a high intensity workout similar to our other video. Body combat is kind of a fun kickboxing type class, but obviously you do not have boxing gloves or something to be kicking. And then yoga, here we have a stress relief video, 20 minutes. I know a lot of you guys could use this right now, so feel free to do that one if that is what you prefer. After you've done one of these, you're going to do the discussion questions here, kind of talking about today's workout, but then also just talking about distance learning as a whole. The more feedback you can give me, the better, just so I can make these course pages as accessible for you guys as possible moving forward for the quarter 4 students. So please give me that feedback and then your daily check-in here by 1 o'clock. So again, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. Otherwise, good luck. Let me know if you need anything.